Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic function. Remove the watch from any charger, then place it on a known good charger for 30 minutes. Once charging, make sure the crown and buttons move freely. Debris can block contacts. If the screen is blank after charging, perform the forced reboot sequence specific to your model. This clears temporary software hangs. You do this now because power and simple reboots resolve most non-damaged failures quickly and save time before deeper troubleshooting. Once power is confirmed, focus on software and connections. Back up any data, then check for firmware or OS updates via the companion app or Wi-Fi and apply them. After an update, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Unpair and repair the watch to reset the handshake and clear corrupt sync states. You should also verify app permissions for location, notifications, and fitness sensors, because denied permissions often make features appear broken even when hardware is fine. Finally, perform targeted hardware fixes. Power down and clean charging pins, watch back, and crown with a soft cloth and 70–90% isopropyl alcohol. Corroded contacts impede charging. If your model allows, reseat or replace the battery following safety guidance. If nothing changes, do a factory reset as a last resort, then restore your backup. If the watch still fails, contact authorized service. Provide model, serial, and steps you tried. One key troubleshooting tip: document error behavior and exact steps. Technicians need that to diagnose efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.